Hello everybody, so we're back with the press on nail tutorial, and here are the nails that I am using. I did purchase these from Amazon. Alright, so I will be using the Beetles Top It Off Top Gel, and I also will be using the Beetles. This is a black polish, gel polish, and this is the silver gel polish. All of these are gel nail polishes, and this is the base gel that I'll be using as well. And these are the nails, and I also will be using this drill. And as you guys see in the background, I'll be using that nail art tool. I didn't put in the camera, but that's what I'll be using. And as you guys can see, I'm basically buffing the nails. You want to make sure that you do this process because you want to make sure that the nails, you want to make sure that the nail lacquer will adhere to the nail and won't be peeling and things of that sort. So you just want to make sure that you have a long lasting manicure. So that's basically why I did it. I did purchase this nail filer or electric nail buffer from Amazon, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll try to leave it down in the description bar below. And I also purchased these nails from Amazon as well, along with the nail stands and also the nail brush, the nail art brush is from Amazon as well. So I do have videos on that as well, so if you guys want to check that out, definitely go check it out. And I will be back while I buff my nails, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay. Okay, so this part I had to come back on because I had to add this clip in because I forgot to press the record button to show you guys this. So I actually did this clip today and the other clips I actually did like last week, and this one was today, which is May 10th. And so yeah, so I basically had to do another clip real quick. That's why I got my nails on already. I'm probably like, why she got nails on and she doing this? Yeah, that's why I am doing it over, because of that. So yeah, so I'm showing you guys how I did the nail design. It's gonna look a little bit messed up, so I apologize about that because I definitely was rushing because I had a lot of other stuff to do today. So yeah, so that's why. So I really tried to show you guys how I did it, and this is how I did it. So I really apologize for the rush job, but that's basically how I did the design on the nails, as you guys can see here. Okay, all right, so I will be back. I just want to come back and explain that. Okay, peace. Also, I want to let you guys know that I did do 2 coats and I forgot to press the record button. Of course, struggle of a YouTuber. So I basically did 2 coats and I did place it under the UV lamp. So after every layer, you have to make sure that you place it under the lamp so you can have a nice finish. If you don't, the nail polish will remain wet. So you have to make sure that you place it under the UV lamp for at least 60 seconds. And usually I do it twice, like when I'm done with the top gel, I do it twice or what have you. I press 60 seconds, the button twice, you know, after it's done 60 seconds, I'll do 60 seconds again. I'm sorry. So yeah, so that's why I give it talking fast. But anyway, I digress. So yeah, so that's what I basically do. So just make sure that and I went in with 2 coats because the opacity, it wasn't as opaque as I wanted it to be, so that's why I did 2 coats. Unless you're looking for that clear type deal, because sometimes, you know, the clear style is in as well, like with a little sparkle, you know, have a little clear, what have you. So if that's what you're looking into, but if you want more of a opaque type deal, then you'll have to do 2 coats and then place it under the lamp. So you just want to make sure that you are, you know, curing your nails after every application, because it is not going to dry unless you cure it. So I was curing, and I don't show it, but that's what you basically do. So after I did this, like prior to this, I cured, and then I went on ahead and did this, and then I cured and stuff like that. So that's what you do after every layer. Any type of design, whatever, you have to cure. You must cure. Okay, just to let you guys know. It sounds tedious, but that's what it is when you work with gel polish. Okay, this is you know, this is not regular polish. Okay, all right. So basically about that, and I'm putting on the top gel. Then after that, you guys are gonna see my nails already on, and I'm going to place some the concoction that I made, like of some oils that I'm going to re-moisturize my cuticles, because after everything I've done, because I did do a nail care prior to putting on my press-on nails, which I didn't show, and I do have a nail care routine, so I definitely will link that below if you guys are interested. And yeah, so that's basically it about that. So yeah, you guys, I'm done, and here are my nails, my lovely nails, the press-on nails, very quick and easy. And yeah, so I didn't put them on, they're already on already. Like I did put them on, but not on camera. Okay, so it's very easy to put on. You just put the glue and you're finished. Okay, so I believe I have a video showing me putting on the nails, but I don't put them on because you guys should know how to put them on. Okay, all right, so that's it, you guys. I am done. These are the end. This is the end. Okay, all right, so if you guys want more videos like this, please let me know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let it ask. And that's it. You have a wonderful, blessed, and safe day, and continue to do what you do. Thanks for the view, boo. All right, have any questions, comments, concerns, please let it ask. Watching. Peace. Bye.